Now coming to the support material that we have been giving, as all of you know that we are an academy and a community that gives a lot of amazing content and workshops that are there. So what we have done it, we have kept it separate. Now for this particular challenge that is there for the 8-day challenge, these are for mainly two type of people. One, people who already know their this particular concepts, and they have been doing these type of hackathons and challenges, so they don't need much of support and materials. They can just go in, have an idea. They don't even need to go through this access, and they need just do whatever they want to do. And The second type of people are those who want some guidance and support. So we are expecting approximately 200 people to join this particular challenge. So we cannot personally help reach out to everyone individually. But that is the reason what we have done is we have majorly two types of support materials that are available that I wanted to share with all of the people who are listening to this quick video that I am giving. One is this that I'm sharing here. We have the no code. So everything that we discuss, the different no code platforms that are there, and the low code, no code and low code as well. So this is no code, low code, as well as the coding path that is there. So we have approximately, you can see there are 15 videos that are covering, that includes a lovable cursor, then we have voice flow, and all the other things that are there is being added here. And then we have the prompt sheet challenge. So this is a collation of all the prompts that is going to help you be in the challenge. So all these things are part of this. Then we have the coding path, so whatever is mandatory for you. Some simple use cases are there, how you can deploy your application, what are the different things that you need to do, the mandatory videos that are there. And I have put everything here. Some of this maybe also you may know. For some of you who are starting, creating a GitHub profile, because GitHub profile is a mandatory requirement for this particular challenge as well. So what we have done is we have also put the January challenge recording, because we had some talk by some of the guest speaker like Dennis and others. So we have put that particular thing here as well. And Just for people to reference, this is not mandatory, and all the recordings of this particular events that we are doing along the challenge will be put here as well. And while we speak, I am adding more videos and recordings that are important. So this place gives you a resource of approximately right, as of now we have around 30 plus resources at one place for people who are busy, who have the time that is there. So the cost of this is there. We are giving it at different tiers that are available on the WhatsApp group, and you can reach out to us individually. Now the second thing is the AI guild. So people who are new to the community, we also have a platform called as an AI guild platform. This particular platform is, if I can just go from here, then you can get a better understanding. If you go from this particular website, start now, you will get a landing page that shows what is this AI guild that we are speaking about. So this is a one-stop solution where I have put all my last 8 years of work, whatever is important, I have put here in this particular platform. So it is taking some time loading up. So this particular platform, there is a 30% annual membership offer as well going on. So you can take that particular thing as well. There is a video that talks a little bit about this. I here as well. I have to yes. I have to put this video on the top. So we have video about talks about this. We get access to all lot of content that you can see on this platform. You will get access to this, which will also help you in the challenge. So now going back to the resources, that these are some of the resources. There are many more resources that are available that you can have access to. And let me get into the platform here. So right now we have around 111 members. So yeah, so they're asking for, so there is a monthly, annually, everything that is there. So let me open and show you what all is there in this particular community, so that this can also help you access. So what I recommend for people who are participating, if you go to this outcome based workshops, we have approximately a lot of recordings that are there that you can have a look, which will also help you in this challenge. So there are different aspects. I think around 50 plus videos are there for 2024, and that is there. So this will also give you a way to learn a place where you want specific things that are there, and you can also message me if you're facing any specific question. The team will reach out to you within a day. Plus, also, if you see this particular thing, there are a lot of other resources, like how you can use GitHub properly. Then we have something very specific to land graph, and we have something specific to some project ideas that you can see, some Python project ideas that are there. You can also get access to this. Plus, as we all know, if you're trying to do something in agentic AI, we have a whole particular course on agentic AI that can help you as well, on LangChain, on LLMs, on basic prompt engineering for developers. And this is one of the resources that I tell anyone who is taking part in this challenge, to learn as well as win. You need to get access to AI Guild as well as the support material. So AI, in this particular AI Guild, if you are becoming a member, you also get that access the support materials at a lesser cost, and you can learn a lot from this, because this is something that I call as a lifelong learning, that I request all of you to have access to this particular thing. And then we have that particular support access that is very, very specific, because this is 400 hours of content, so everything. But what is mandatory for the challenge, the minimum basic requirement for the challenge, is in the support material that I had shared with you. But that support material is good, as well as this particular thing is very good, because this will also give you a better understanding of everything. But if for this, specifically for this challenge, I will recommend people who are here also for learning, please become an AI Guild member, as well as take the challenge support thing that is available, so that you can make more for this particular challenge.